Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channels, and today in this video I want to show you guys how to make your custom YouTube subscribers and bell buttons with Microsoft Office. Yeah, so let me show you and I will do it step by step. Okay, so let's make a YouTube buttons. First, it's a very easy. Yeah, let's go to the Autoshape. Yeah, so you pick this one. Yeah, I think yes, this one, and then you change this to red colors. Yes, okay, like that. And then I already made the font inside to make it faster. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so change it to white. So oh, excuse me, sorry, it's here. Okay, and then the line also white color, and then copy, and then change to U. Yes, and then change to B. Yeah, you copy it, sorry. Yes, and then copy again with the right click. Yeah, and then copy, change to E. Yeah, so the reason I make it separately, the alphabet separately, so you can move the design as you like, so you can make your own style. Yeah, for example, you do this, that's, yeah, you turn it around like that a little bit, you know. Yes. So if you want to make it, yeah, let's say like that, and then you have to combine this. Sorry, push the shift button, and then I have to combine them to. So now this is all together. You resize them to the size you like. Yeah. Oh, sorry, you cannot resize this from this way. You have to go one by one. Yeah. Yes, 100 maybe. Yes, okay. This one also 100. Yeah, enter. Okay, this one also 100. Yeah, enter. And then the T also 100. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, here we go, something like that. You can move it a little bit if you want. Yeah, you don't have to. Yes, so here we go. So this is YouTube. You can make this smaller, it's not too big. Okay, here we go. So now here let me change this to 100 too, so make sure we have the same size. So okay, 100. All right, so we do the same, copy, and then O, and then copy U. Yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, so let's say I just make it like this, you know, and then yeah, put it in the two group. Yeah, okay, so this is the YouTube buttons. Yeah, so you combine these two parts. Oh, sorry, sometimes it's happened, so make sure, don't worry. Here we go, and then now it's in one. So now we will make the subscribe button. The subscribe button is, it's the same. Yeah, yes, you follow. Yeah, change this to red, all red. Then, yes, okay, so then next is same, you have to, here we go, make it to white color. Sorry, white color, the line also white. and then you bring the triangle, and then this put back these two red color, and then you can use this one if you want. Yeah, like that. I'm sorry, here we go, one more time. Yes, so it's like look like that. You can set the size as you like, pull them down, pull them up, yeah, right, left, yeah, it's all up to you. And then you combine these three parts. Yes, okay, here we go. And then you just insert the letter, yeah, sorry, my word is in Japanese, so sorry, oops, oh my god, hey, okay, sorry, subscribe, yes, subscribe. And then you change, I will change the font, yeah, to the one I like. Yeah, you can change to whatever you like anyway, so, and whatever you have in your computers. Yeah, yes, and you can change the size. Let's see what is the best size. And yep, okay, so this is 72. I think this is too big. Yeah, so I will change it a little bit to maybe 60, maybe. Okay, so 60 is the best. Yeah, like that. Yep, here we go. Yeah, so now you have your original subscribe buttons. Yeah, and then the last is a bell. A bell is wait a minute, let me combine these two parts so we don't have to move. Yeah, okay, so last one is bell buttons. You use this one. Yeah, oh sorry, excuse me, I took the wrong one. Oh my god, here's, where are you? Yeah, here we go. Yes, this one I think. Yeah, right, so oops, yeah, okay, you see that, and then change it to all to black. Yeah, I'm sorry, not black, red. Yes, so the same. Yeah, and then first just combine these two parts. So you can do it later too, but I do it now. Sometimes I forget, you know? So make a small part. Yes, this is, yes, something like that. Yeah, okay, so you can put in the center. Okay, so here we go. Yep, and then combine them. Yes, okay. So next is the parties here. Yeah, so same. Yeah, you can push them inside a little bit. Yep, here we go. Yes, and then combine them. Okay, we need this to be a white color, so before we change that to the white color, first we have, or if you want to use the red color, it's okay. So I basically I use I like this style. So, wait a minute, let me, okay, here we go. Yes, so I copy this, put them inside, and then I change the color to white. So here's the line too. Yes, good. And then you make your like that. So resize them as you like. Yeah, maybe this is the best. Yes, okay, that's the bell. Yeah, the bell. Now the next step is this word file. You cannot use them to in YouTube. You have to change this to JPEG file at least. Yeah, so when you want to put this to JPEG file, yeah, you can push your print screen buttons. Yeah, I will do it. push your print screen button and minimize the windows, and then open your paint application, paint, yes, here, and then you paste it here like that, yes, and then you just select the part you like. So I will do this, and then copy, push control button and C, push control button and C, and then push control and Z, and then push control and V. So now you have the nicest part of your custom buttons, yeah. And if you want to take this separately like that, it's also okay, yeah. You use the same way, and then from this paint application you can save them to JPEG file, for example, like this, yeah. I'm sorry, yes, here we go. So here you can name it as a YouTube icon or something like that, and then you select the file you like. PNG is I think is okay too for YouTube, and then JPEG file, yeah, I normally save as a JPEG file, and then you click save. I'm sorry, in this case it's kanji, but it's the same meaning, it means save, yeah, and then you save it to the folder you like, yeah. So that's it. So after you save them to JPEG file, then you can use it in YouTube as a custom buttons, yeah. So thank you very much. That's all how to make a custom buttons from Word Office, and then save them to JPEG file by using paint application in your computers. Normally every computers they have this paint application. You just type on your search Windows search and then type paint, and then it will come up if you don't have on your desktop. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this is useful, and if you don't mind, please click subscribe and like and share. I'm new to this market, so I hope you will give me your kindness to subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much, and see you. Bye bye.